Elon Musk pushes Dogecoins to goes down. The Dogecoin crypto decreased almost 50% after Tesla boss clarifies what it is. So let me start the topic with what it was actually. Dogecoins pre-declined almost 22% during the early US hours on Sunday. Tesla, Elon Musk oneself broadcasted Doge father answered that it is a hustle on the SNL show. For those actually puzzled with what preciously the image digital currency Dogecoin is, Tesla's Elon Musk himself made a decent endeavor to clarify it on the American late-night improv show Saturday Night Lives, which is SNL. Humorous new program Weekend Update. Musk categorized Dogecoin's temperament and its importance in the monetary world in a bigger number of ways than the world would by a large consider to the program has Michael Say and Colin Just, who over and again squeeze the very rich person business visionary to answer what is Dogecoin. Now, withstanding Dogecoin's cost declined almost 22% during the early US hours on Sunday after Musk oneself announced Doge father answered that it is a hustle. During the show, Dogecoin dropped from 64% towards the start of SNL at 11:30 to 50% 6 am on Sunday, according to information from CoinDesk. It began as a joke dependent on a web image, however, now it is taken off an undeniable manner. Musk answered once the chair toward the start of the show. It was made in 2013 and has a circulating supply of 117 billion coins, of which 113 billions have efficiently been mined. He answered again as the crowd chuckled at the say equivalent inquiry once more. Along these lines, what is Dogecoin? It is eventually fact of case. It's resentless monetary vehicle that will assume control over the world, Musk added. I get that. However, what is it, man? Said the J. Musk replied, I continue to advise you, it's a digital currency. You can exchange for customary cash. Musk grinned. At the point when Say countered, so is it hustle? Musk reacted, no doubt it's hustle, and giggled. Musk was presented as a monetary master named Lloyd Ostrich in the show. On Friday, Musk encouraged financial backers hoping to put resources into cryptos to cease from placing their life investment funds into it. Most importantly, I figure individuals ought not put their life investment funds in cryptographic money. All things considered, I believe that it is hasty, he said in a video delivered by TMZ. Digital currency is promising, however, if it's not too much trouble, contribute with alert. Musk had tweeted on Friday with the connection of TMZ video on Twitter named after an image of the Japanese canine variety Shiba Inu dog, which you can see on many memes of Dogecoin, and began as an ironical option in contrast to Bitcoin's favor. Dogecoin is as of now the fourth biggest cryptocurrency money according to CoinMarketCap. It was exchanging at the 52 cent with the market cap of $67 billion. At the hour of documenting this report, the coin had before crested a $0.41 on April 20, this prior year sliding to $0.23 on April 24. So that's it for today, guys, and be with us subscribing this channel to get the latest update about cryptocurrency. Thank you.